Hello, I'm Steve Fong, a professor in the Department of Chemical and Life Science Engineering, and I wanted to give you a quick intro into my lab group. So my group is called the Systems Biological Engineering Lab, and we typically utilize systems biology and synthetic biology approaches to manipulate organisms to produce chemicals and different types of products. A little bit of background on myself. My bachelor's degree is in chemical engineering from Worcester Polytechnic Institute in Massachusetts. And both my master's and PhDs were in bioengineering from UC San Diego. I joined VCU in 2005 and I've been here ever since then. So just to give you an idea of what we do, one of our projects has been working with this organism called Serratia marcescens. It's chitinolytic, meaning that it can take chitin, like think insect shells, seafood shells, that substance, and break it down into monomers. And so this is a typical schematic of having the chitin extracellularly, breaking it down, and then uptaking it, where some of it can feed into glycolysis. But we're kind of interested in this N-acetylglucosamine as a starting precursor. And what we were able to do with the Serratia is engineer it by adding in some enzymes to make it produce neurominic acid. So this N-acetyl-neurominic acid here is an antiviral compound. So basically, on the left-hand side, we showed that we can take Serratia, grow it straight on chitin, and have it produce neurominic acid with titers up to 0.5 gram per liter. And on the right-hand side, we were just showing some of our engineering work. We were basically changing the expression of heterologous genes to increase the production of the neurominic acid. So this is just one idea of types of projects that we kind of work on, where we take organisms and modify them to produce specific compounds, many of which are biologically active pharmaceutical precursors or pharmaceutical ingredients themselves. I've had a bunch of different PhD students in my group, and here I'm just listing some of the places where they've kind of gone off to. Many of them have gone on to postdocs at different places, including my latest student, Chang, who's postdocing at University of Wisconsin right now. Many of them have gone on to working at companies ranging from large companies to startups. And Deng is actually a full professor at Jiangnan University in China. All right. If any of you have any questions about my group or things that we do, please feel free to contact me. Otherwise, hopefully this gave you a really quick intro into my group.